Okay, now thank you for doing your first job. Now the second job for us this week is to find one more and one less than a number using our number line. So if you have a look here, this is what I've done. I've picked 3 different numbers. We've got number 4, number 9 and number 17. And we are going to be finding one more than these numbers, and we are going to be finding one less than these numbers. Now some of you might know that without a number line, but if you don't, I would like you to learn how to use a number line. So I'm going to show you. To start with, I think we'll do one more than 4. So one more means we add 1 and the number gets 1 bigger. So the first thing you need to do is find number 4 on your number line. If you don't know what number 4 looks like, you can count along. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is my number 4 on my number line. Now to find one more, I need to do 1 jump forwards because my number is getting bigger. So if I do 1 jump forwards from number 4, can you see which number I end up on? Which number do I end up on? You're right, number 5. So 1 more than 4 is 5. It's a little bit tricky to write my answer neatly when I'm holding it up for you to see, but 1 more than 4 is 5 because when we jumped along the number line, we saw that 1 more than 4 was 5. Now this time I'd like to find 1 less than 5, which means my number means take away 1. So what I need to do is I need to go back to number 4, but instead of jumping forwards 1 this time, I'm going to jump backwards 1. So I'm going to put my pen on number 4 and I'm going to jump backwards and see which number I end up on. So I started on number 4 and I jumped backwards. What number am I on now? Yes, 3. So 1 less than 4 is 3. So you can see I started with my number in the middle and I wrote 1 more than and I wrote 1 less than. Let's have another go together with number 9. Which number do I need to find on my number line first? Yes, number 9. I know that number 9 is here. I might even put a circle around it so I can see where it is. Okay, this time let's try and do 1 less first. So 1 less means that we get smaller, so we need to go backwards. So I start on number 9 and I'm going to do 1 jump backwards. Can you see where I ended up? Yes, number 8. So 1 less than 9 is 8. Now this time I need to do 1 more than 9. So I start on number 9 and I do 1 step forwards. Which number have I ended up on? Number 10. Now 10 is a 2-digit number and it does matter which way round those digits go. So the 1 comes first and the 0 comes second, and together they make the number 10. Now, our final challenge together today is the number 17. So this is a 2-digit number to start with. So I'm going to count along my number line and get to number 17. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I'm going to put a circle around number 17 like so. Now to start with, let's find 1 less than 17. Can you remember which way we jump if we want to find 1 less? We jump backwards. So I'll find my 17 and I'm going to do 1 hop backwards. Can anybody read this number and tell me what number this is? It's a 2-digit number. Yes, it's number 16. So 1 less than 17 is 16. Now let's see if we can find 1 more than 17. So back to number 17, and this time we're going to do 1 jump forwards. So do my jump forwards. Let's have a look. I started on 17 and I jumped forwards and now I've landed on 18. Remember, 18 is a 2-digit number. The 1 digit comes first, then the 8. So 1 less than 17 is 16 and 1 more than 17 is 18. Brilliant. Now what I've done is I've given some numbers to your grown-ups on the weekly overview, and what I would like you to do is I'd like you to copy those numbers into your book like I have in a line down the middle. Then you can make a line for writing 1 less and a line for writing 1 more. Your grown-up might be able to help you set that up. So all of the numbers I've given you, I'd like you to find 1 less than that number and I'd like you to find 1 more than that number. When you finish that challenge, I would really love you to send me a picture of your work. You've all been working so hard, and when I see your work, I just know that your brains are getting bigger. Okay, so enjoy the challenge, take your time, don't rush, and even if you think you know the answer without using the number line, just double check on the number line. So just before I go, remember, one more, we jump forwards and the number gets bigger. One less and we jump backwards and the number gets smaller. Have fun doing your challenge, guys, and don't forget to send me a picture of it. Bye.